Hi, I'm Ben, and I'm a senior here at the University of Montana, and I'm here to help guide you through the class registration process. Log in to the GRIZ portal. Under the Student Self-Service card, open the Student Dashboard. Under the Academic Records section, click on DegreeWorks. The top section provides your official academic profile, including your major and college/campus code. Scrolling down, you will see university graduation requirements, general education requirements, and your major requirements. You can click on the attribute or course code links to find out what classes you need to complete. We'll need to come back here in a minute, so don't close out of DegreeWorks just yet. Head back to the self-service portal. Just like before, we're going to open the student dashboard. Then find registration and edit your class schedule. Click on Register for Classes. In the drop-down menu, select the semester and year you are registering for. If you need to enter an alternate PIN, you can get that from your advisor. You're now in the course search. Here, there are several ways to find classes. We can use the information from DegreeWorks to find what we're looking for. First, select Online Missoula College or Online Mountain Campus. It should be matching the campus location listed on your DegreeWorks page. This filter will do most of the heavy lifting. You can search for specific course numbers listed in DegreeWorks, or use the subject field to search for all classes offered under a specific subject. I'm going to filter the search by online campus and subject to see what media arts classes are offered this season. Cool, we found some classes. Let's break this down to see what we're looking at. These columns show you useful information at a glance. The most important column today is section. Students enrolled in online-only programs are limited to courses with section numbers in the 50s. Click on the course title to check out the details. I'll briefly run through the most important sections. Course description and comments. This shows you a basic description of the class and notable information. Attributes. Degree attributes that the class fulfills, such as general education, sciences, or writing. Restrictions. Check here to make sure your online campus isn't excluded from taking the class. Enrollment/waitlist. Make sure there are seats available for you to enroll in the class. Co-requisites and prerequisites. Some classes require you to have already completed another class or to be taken at the same time as another to register for them. The fees section shows a list of any additional costs associated with this course. Once you've identified a course you want, click Add to move it to your tentative plan. Repeat this process until you build a healthy schedule of classes. Use the green Search Again button if you need to go back and change your search filters. A minimum of 12 credit hours are required if you're looking for full-time enrollment. Now for the last step. Review the classes listed in the summary. Use the drop-down menu to make sure the classes you want to enroll in read Registered, and that any you don't want read Remove. Then click Submit. You will see the status panel for each class turn green and read Registered. If your registration was unsuccessful, you will notice an error message in the top right of your screen that will tell you what happened. If you need more information, search for registration errors on the website, or you can always reach out to your academic advisor. And that's it. You are now enrolled and ready to start your journey at the University of Montana. Make sure to check the academic calendar and stay connected to your email to find out when classes go live on campus.